Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday we'll share our home. I found love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own.
Halo teman-teman traveler, jadi di Kampung Berwa sebelum kita masuk kita lapor dulu di loket. Harga per orangnya berapa? 5.000 rupiah untuk domestik. Kalau untuk bule atau wisatawan asing berapa?
10.000.
Ya, jadi biayanya 10.000 rupiah per tiket.
We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be your girl, you'll be my man. And I see my future in your eyes. Well, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass while listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks.
Kita sudah sampai di Batu King Kong Stone. Jadi beliau tinggal di sini Pak Jaga.
I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Open your eyes, open your mind. Feel the warmth, see the smile. Friendship and love, that's what I feel. Hold my hands, turn with me.
Kita sekarang berada di daerah situs Pasaung atau Batu King Kong, jadi seperti wajah King Kong. Di sini menurut para ahli geologi adalah lautan dulu dengan ditemukannya fosil-fosil keong seperti ini ya. Ya, fosil-fosil keong. Dan juga kemudian di sana batu King Kongnya Pak. Jadi batu yang terbentuk secara alami menyerupai wajah King Kong. Sebelah sana.
Tuh, putih, yang putih.
Di bawahnya Pak.
Oh iya tuh, mukanya masuk sini tuh.
Nah, itu dia.
Oh iya. Yang mukanya itu.
Nah, ini jadi seperti wajah King Kong.
They dance and sing, magnificent beauty of nature, among the colors of heaven. This is a wonderful place. I feel loved, I feel wonderful, oh wonderful Indonesia.